Hello, sir. Good day.
Our research is all about Gradexpress grade management system, a seamless integration of grading process in support for the faculty of the College of Computer Studies. And my name is Alan Ryan Pison.
And I'm Michael Divina.
And I'm Mark Jason Pereira.
And I'm Rosan Esco.
And I'm Jason Forte.
And I'm Irene Pedores.
Abstract. The research aims to address faculty members' challenges in managing the grading process efficiently and effectively. The study developed a grading system that integrates multiple features to support faculty members' grading process. The grading system in the College of Computer Studies is user-friendly and accessible, resulting in improved efficiency and effectiveness.
Thus, this study explores the development and implementation of grading system that aims to seamlessly integrate the grading process in support of the faculty member of the College of Computer Studies. The research aims to address the challenges and issues faced by faculty members in managing the grading process efficiently and effectively. The study uses a mixed methods approach, including surveys, interviews, and observations, to gather data from faculty members and students. The study analyzed the data to identify the specific needs and requirements of faculty members and students regarding of grading process. Based on findings, the study develops a grading system that integrates multiple features to support the faculty members' grading process, such as automatic grading computation, grade submission, grade recording, and grade analysis. For the background of the study, grading systems are used to evaluate and assist students' understanding and mastery of particular subject or skill. Grades provide feedback, motivate students, and help college make decisions about admission, scholarship, and advancement. Grading systems provide information, help decision-making, and motivate students to learn. Because the primary reason for making grading system is to evaluate, assess the educational performance of the students. Grading system allows teachers, professors, and educational institutions to measure student understanding and mastery of particular subject or skill. Grading system help teacher in determining if the students are meeting the learning objectives and are able to apply their knowledge.
For the statement of the problem, faculty members face challenges in grading and managing student records, making it difficult to track progress and academic performance. Faculty members struggle to manage their time and provide timely feedback due to high workload and lack of integration of grading process. Researchers aim to develop a system to automate grading and provide real-time access to student records. Faculty members will be able to grade assignment, exam, and other coursework efficiently, provide feedback, and streamline the process of managing student records. The study will be conducted at independent educational institution during the academic year of 2023-2024. Address the challenges faced by the faculty members of the College of Computer Studies in grading and managing student records. Currently, the grading process is done manually, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. This manual process also makes it difficult to keep track of student progress and academic performance. The faculty members are responsible for teaching multiple courses and handling a large.
For significance of the study, Gradexpress can improve transparency, fairness, communication, efficiency, and quality, leading to better outcomes for students and community. The integration of grading process through Gradexpress can have significant benefit for stakeholders involved in education. It can improve transparency, fairness, communication, efficiency, and quality, leading to better outcomes for students and the community as a whole. Additionally, the data generated by Gradexpress can provide valuable insight to future research. Promoting collaboration for respondents, Gradexpress provides a standardized grading process to improve transparency and fairness. Gradexpress provides faculty with detailed feedback to help students understand their strengths and weaknesses. Gradexpress provides faster and more accurate feedback for students. For school, Gradexpress improves efficiency and cost effectiveness, reducing workload and time. Gradexpress provides data to identify trends and make decisions about curriculum. Gradexpress can enhance schools' reputation and appeal for students. For the community, Gradexpress can improve the quality of education, leading to the better outcomes of students and the community. For increased confidence in the school system, Gradexpress can increase public confidence and trust in schools. For the future researcher, Gradexpress can improve access to data and increase collaboration and innovation, leading to the new insight and discoveries.
For the scope and delimitation of the study. Scope. Faculty members will use computer-based system to input, manage, and analyze students' gradings, providing features such as automatic competition, data security, and privacy. Because the study will focus on the development of computer-based system that will allow the faculty members to easily input, manage, and analyze student grades. The system will also provide features such as automatic competition of grades, data security, and data privacy. The study will cover entire grading process from inputting grades to release the final grades. For the limitation, the system will be designed to accommodate the grading system and policies of the college but will not cover implementation, training, integration, or integration. Because the system will be developed for the college of computer student faculty members only. The system will be designed to accommodate the grading and system policies of the college. The study will not cover implementation of the system, which will be done separately. The study will not cover the training of faculty members.
This is conceptual framework. The grading system is used to monitor and assess student academics performance. Grades are the way to measure student development and success. Good grades give students a sense of accomplishment and motivation to improve their performance, leading to job, scholarship, and college admission application. The object is to providing an accurate assessment of student performing and progress regardless of grading strategy.
Because the way of monitoring and assessing a student academic performance in a course or subject is the grading system. A letter grade, an alphanumeric grade, or a percentage grade are frequently used to integrate it. The grading system goal is to inform student parents and teachers about the student level of comprehension and a mastery of certain subject or course. Grades are served a reflection of the student capacity of knowledge acquisition, conceptual understanding, application, and skill demonstration through tests and assignment. For 30 student, grades provide a way to track their development success. When students obtain good grades, they give a sense of accomplishment which encourage them to work on improving their performance. Additionally, application for jobs, scholarship, and college admission frequently start with grades, depending on the school and the particular course and the grading scheme and change. Some employ the conventional grading skill while others use a partial percentage-based system. The objective is to provide accurate assessment of student performance and progress regardless of the particular grading strategy.
Review of local literature. This is the case study about grading system in Philippines by Rachel Ramos Ubaldo on August 11, 2016. School must follow DepEd's grading system divided into performance tasks, written works, and exams. Grading system for fairness and unity. Dividing activity to help students cope. Administrators and faculty and students must have permission to edit information gathered in the system. Letter grades replace other forms of assessment in the early 20th century, leading to debates about grade, inflation, and the utility of grades. Universities have always evaluated students but there was no standardized grading system in the 18th century. Standardized grading systems were introduced in the early 20th century. And in case of that, because on that statement it says that in Philippines, DepEd released the standard grading system that school must follow, and it is divided into performance tasks, written works, and quarterly exams. Stated below are the different sites we use for informations. They use this grading system for fairness and unity in giving grades. They also think that dividing activity is helpful for students to cope if they miss one of these references. A certain administrator, faculty, and students must have the permission of the assigned admin to edit the information gathered in the system. Once logged in, a member can see the profile system with his or her profile information. Letter grades were first used in the United States in the last part of the 19th century. Both colleges and high school began replacing other forms of assessment with letter and percentage grades in the early 20th century, while grading system appeared to be fairly standardized in the US debates about grade inflation and also in the utility of grades for fostering student learning continue. Universities have always evaluated students, but the modern grading system did not always exist. In fact, in the 18th century, there was no standardized means of evaluating students, and certainly no means by which student performance at one institution could be easily compared with student performance somewhere else. It was in the first part of the 20th century that American elementary and high school education also began using standardized grading system.
Review of related studies, Gradexpress State University, SMS, based grade inquiry, Ryan D. Carmelo, March 2011. SMS is a convenient and low-cost mobile communication technology with the Philippines leading into the Asia-Pacific region with the highest number of the messages per user. The Gradexpress State University SMS-based grade inquiry system is proposed to provide on a service to students in remote areas without internet access. Text-based technology is a convenient way to access information, save time and money, and improve communication. This prepared system allows students to save time, money, and effort by just typing in keyword, ID number, and password and sending an SMS to the system which will reply back as an SMS. Because the university as an educational institution, organization has a lot of valuable information which can be provided to students such as grading list, enrollment information in university announcement as a convenient and low-cost mobile communication technology. SMS is experiencing a very rapid growth indeed. Philippines lead to the Asia-Pacific region with the highest number of messages sent per user. The Caraga State University SMS-based grade inquiry system was now proposed to have a more convenient, faster, and easier way of transaction. This study is concerned on how to provide a service to students residing in a remote areas where internet connection is not available. Since the text-based technology is one of the popular ways to access information, it provides the opportunity to save time and money, and in addition, it improves the way of communication. It also helps the student access the information in anytime, anywhere basis at their own convenient time. This proposed system enables the student to save time, money, and effort by just typing in at their mobile phone the keyword with their ID number and password. Furthermore, the system provides a convenient way of inquiring grade with just press and send way. The proposed system is offering the SMS service which can be used by all mobile phones. The user only sends the SMS to
Isabela State University SMS-based grade inquiry by Noraya B. Mashod on March 2014. The Isabela State University is experiencing delays in releasing grades due to excessive numbers of students, so a system is proposed to reduce the burden. Researchers are developing a more efficient and fast way of accessing information, which is more accurate and reliable. Cybercrime law on 2012 states that inauthentic data must be considered or acted upon for legal purposes, regardless of whether it is directly readable and intelligible. The present study discusses the benefits of a computerized grading system and the accessibility of information, but there are rules and regulations from Republic Act number 10175 to avoid illegal acts. So regarding on this one, the Isabela State University is experiencing many problems regarding on the delay of releasing grades and manual operation of the Office of Registrar and also etc. These are only some of the problems that they encounter. Excessive numbers of the students are also the reason why students experience delays in getting their grades. In order to lessen the burden, the researchers made a way to resolve it, so a system is proposed. It is the student grade inquiry system, which is somehow related to this study.
Review of Foreign Literature, Stephen McHenry in Literative Implementation, Strategy Stephen McHenry, March 2010. Literative implementation, continuous integration is an alternative to waterfall studies. Literative implement eliminates waterfall method by breaking down functionally in info purchase set. The entire set of features required to support a functional area must be divided to reduce its size. Because this is also known as design implementation. This is also known as design implementation increments. In fact, issues come out that by using literative implement, waterfall method was removed totally in industry of studies. This was invented to avoid a linear and sequential development of study. Unlike the waterfall study, with this approach, the overall functionality of the system is broken down into feature set.
Review of Foreign Studies. This study is the trial at Curtin University of Technology, and it is conducted by the author named Palmer John on the March 2002. A trial of an automated essay grading system was conducted at Curtin University of Technology in 2001. The research was conducted during the semester, making assessment difficult. Curtin University implemented an additional voluntary essay type question for bonus marks, resulting in a high rate of response. The researchers graded 70 papers and sent 330 ungraded essays to the US site for grading. We were satisfied with the computer system's performance as it had the same mean and standard deviation of marks as us. Plagiarism is copying the work of another student rather than extracting text from another source. The grading system should be based on a single all-inclusive model answer and be run in-house on a PC or central server. This is the results of our surveys. The methods of research and also research according to scope, since we have planned to do research by asking a set of questions to students and faculty members to better understand their needs about the grading system. And also the source of data, the results or the STAN survey is this one. This is for the student survey. And also this one, those surveys came from those teachers and professors from our computer studies.
Vamos.